special piece. When you press this button, it makes animal noises. Do you want to try that out, Hermes? Press this button. Sounds like a monkey. Yeah? Yeah. Thank you. Here, put this piece on top of that. You can do it. Here you go. Here, let me help.
Fist bump, Hermes.
For this whole entire set. After I finish building each one, Hermes, I guess you just play with the animals here. Show them their habitat. Where'd it go?